Hi, good evening friends. So today I'm going to discuss about one book which I have gone through it. Tausif sir has suggested me. Hi Lucky, please go through this book. Try to understand what exactly the things are available as part of this book. What are the key learnings you can get from this book and how exactly you can apply the learnings in your life. So I don't think so it's learning, it's a great ideas. If you're going to apply such kind of great ideas as part of your life, definitely you will change your life. And I would like to let you know one more thing here. Thinking big does not matter to your intelligence, your luck, your money. Just it's a state of your mind. You have to think positive, then only you can do the stuff. Okay, you have to think great, then only you can achieve the great things in your life. So hi guys, let's proceed further. So first of all, the key learning from this book is believe in yourself. If you believe you would like to become successful, definitely you will become successful. Now let me tell you how exactly you can become successful by believing in yourself. Suppose you have thought I will become millionaire and I would like to become millionaire. What you are going to do? You are going to think like a millionaire. You are going to take actions like a millionaire, and you are going to achieve it because you believe in yourself. You can become millionaire. But suppose you have think like I cannot become millionaire, I am a failure. Definitely you will be failure because you have thought of you are a failure, and the way you are thinking, the same kind of action you are going to take in your life, and definitely you are not going to become successful. So the key learning, the most important thing is you have to believe in yourself and believe like that I will be become successful. How exactly? It will automatically, your brain will help you out. It will trigger automatically. How can you become successful? First of all, you have to start believing in yourself. Okay. The second point is cure yourself from excusitis. Okay, it's a one kind of disease. Okay, how exactly it's a one kind of disease? Suppose you got opportunity to work in a project, and that project is using such kind of skills which is not relevant to your experience. Okay, so possibly you have to adopt some new skills. The person who having such kind of disease will say no, 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 this project technical things are not related to my experience and I cannot work on it. Okay, so you can look for someone else. But the person who is activist, who would like to learn things, who don't have such kind of expertise, kind of disease, then what he is going to say, great, I'm going to have such kind of challenging project where I can learn the new stuffs and I can apply it. Become successful or may not be successful, that does not matters. But that I will try it, and I will try to make it 100% from my side. So that is the advantage of not being affected from ascositis. Okay guys, so you have to accept this. Okay, and this ascositis, they're not going to help you out. It is not depend on luck again. Okay, you have to understand this thing. The third key learning is accept the law of cause and effect. Suppose I already told you, if you have thought of your failure, definitely you are going to become failure because you have thought in such a way. It's just equivalent to the Newton's third law. What is Newton's third law say? Whatever action you will take, it will have the reaction. You have thought of failure, you become failure. You have thought of become billionaire, you become billionaire. So automatically circumstances will be created, and you will be in the such kind of situation where you will become fail or you will become success. It's up to you. Okay. Fourth learning is don't sell yourself too short. Okay, so what do you mean by don't sell yourself? What is happening? We are simply facing the problems and we are getting low self-esteem. Okay, we are feeling low. If you are going to feeling low, then how exactly it is going to help you out? Whenever you will feel low, you have to think first of all, I am in this place right now. I was in such kind of place earlier also. 5 years before, no. 5 years before, I was not thought of I will reach here. So even if you become graduated or you got a job or you are doing very good in job, you have to think first of all, you came to this place by keeping that much efforts in your life. You have achieved something in your life, that's why you are in this place. So you have to grateful for what you have achieved. You have to do the values whatever you have got in your life. So that's why I'm saying accept the law or cause kind of effect is going to help you out, or even it is going to destroy you. It's up to you what the way you're going to think yourself. But don't sell yourself too short. Okay, first of all, don't feel low about it. The fifth learning is you have to think big. You have to be positive. You have to be cheerful. So how exactly you can be positive or cheerful? See, whenever you will tell to your mind, okay, ki, I want this, or you will think about anything like I am saying failure, it will create the image of failure because our brain think in such a way. If you are saying successful, it will make us successful. If you will say problem, it will draw the picture of problem. If you will say try, it will draw the picture of try. How exactly? See, suppose someone asks me, how are you Lucky? I'm saying, hey, I'm terrific. So what happened? I told I'm the terrific, and the person who have heard me, he also feeling great. Oh, he's too good, he's terrific. Okay, so I'm also. But you said no, no, I'm facing the problems, I'm having lots of issue in my life. What is happening? You are attracting such kind of problems in your life. You are telling yourself, hey, I'm using the negative word, my life will be negative. So don't talk about negative things, always talk about positive things. Okay, just talk about positive things that is going to impact the peoples who are around with you. Okay, got my point, what I'm trying to say? Okay, now come to the next learning. What is the next learning? The next learning is look importance. Look important, look matters to you. How exactly? See, before interacting with anyone, first of all you look into them, right? You look the person, how is it the person is looking like. So based on look only you start judging him. Okay, you have seen that person is not wearing proper clothes. Okay, maybe he is not that much rich and good enough. Okay, if somebody wearing very professional, okay, he's good, he's maybe software engineer. But if he's not getting up properly, definitely people will think, okay, he's not successful, he's just inefficient. Okay, his behavior will be not good. So see, we are the person who are deciding the pupil based on their posture, based on their body language, based on their smile, based on the way they talk. But that is coming later point in time. But first of all, we are deciding based on the look. And here, that's why the look matters. So you have to keep yourself, you have to think yourself, and you have to look good. You have to give look to yourself, which is very important. The 7 key learning is build a skill on yourself commercial. Okay, so what do you mean by build your skills? See, you know, nobody is learn in this earth without any kind of learning. Okay, you have to learn the things, then only you can do the stuff. Whatever you have achieved in your life, just be grateful for that. If you got failed, you have to learn from your failure. Okay, failure does not mean that you may not never become successful. Failure is one kind of key which you need to keep in your life. You have to learn from it, and then you have to proceed further. Okay, you have to proceed further. You should be keep on learning from your side, and you can make your self-esteem very high. Okay, you can make your self-esteem very high if you are continuously learning. So you have to learn yourself. If you are going to increase your skills, you are going to sell your skills in terms of service. So just think about it, how exactly you can improve your skills, how exactly you can sell your skills, how exactly you can praise yourself once you have achieved something in your life, and how exactly you can make your self-esteem very high. Okay, now come to the 8th point. Ask yourself, is it the way of important person thinks? So first of all, you have to think how exactly successful people thinks, how exactly successful people take actions, what are their habits, what habits they are applying in as part of their life. So you have to be in such a way where you can think about them. Once you will think about them, definitely your action is going to be like that. Okay, now come to the 9th point. Make your environment work for you, not for against you. Okay, so what do you mean by this? You may heard about such kind of phrase like you are the average of the 5 people who are around you. So suppose you having such kind of 5 friends who belong from software industry who are very successful. Definitely you will automatically be the person who will have the success, because you know your friends are getting success. In case of me, it's a real time example. I was working in a company for 4 years, but I was not thinking about the switch. But some of my friends have switched and they was equivalent to me. I thought about how exactly they switched the company, and I'm not switching the company. No, I have to switch the company. See, those 5 people, I was not damn sure he's involved in that 5 or not, but I have thought about the what to say, comparison. And I decided to I will switch, and I kept the efforts, and I was able to do the switching, right? So you are understanding. So in this way you have to think, you have to create such kind of environment. Okay, you have to be such kind of environment. You should not be a negative environment. If you are with the person who are not switching from last 5 to 10 years, definitely you are not going to switch also, you will be stick there. Okay, you have to think big, you have to thought about it, you have to make environment which is going to help you out. Suppose I give you one more example about the thinking. Okay, how exactly environment is going to help you out. So I have seen in Facebook one video, like that person was a non-vegetarian and his 4 friends was vegetarian. And like this happened, those peoples was the those 5 peoples was the friend of each other. And this non-vegetarian person, he eating his non-veg, and the vegetarian person was eating their veg. what happened with the time being, this non-vegetarian person not having the wish to eat non-veg, okay, and he started eating the veg from the friend's plate, okay, and suddenly after a certain amount of time he have not realized, he become totally vegetarian. While he was ordering, he have not thought of non-veg, he had thought of vegetarian only. Okay, I will use this one, I will eat something. So see, the person life has been changed. He have become vegetarian due because his friends was vegetarian. So it's all about the circles, what kind of circle you having. If you're having the person who is speaking very good English, definitely you will push yourself to become that much expert in English to improve your English. Okay, now it's a 10th key learning. Okay, practice conversation generously. Okay, what do you mean by this? I already told you, if you are going to talk negative, things are going to be happen in such a way because you are thinking negative. So what you need to do, you have to listen first of all. Whoever is talking, at the successful people are there, they listen more. Like Steve Jobs, stay foolish, stay hungry. So what do you mean by this, he know that much information, but he always behave like I am the person who is always hungry for knowledge. And you have to listen more about those people who are successful people. Never talk about the wrong things, because wrong things always going to attract the negativity, and you have to stay away from the negativity. To just talk positive, don't talk negative, don't think negative, or don't have such kind of situation in your life where you have to talk negative. Okay, now come to the 11th point. Be the activist. Okay, do the things whatever you can do as part of activist. If you're thinking, then only you can do it. How exactly you have thought of I will wake up by 5 o'clock, definitely you are going to wake up by 5 o'clock. If you are only thinking, if you are not doing the actions, now the problem is like the people who have thought of 5 years before, okay, I will be very successful in my life, I will become full stack developer, or I will be the person who will never thought about of money in his life. But now he only thought of, he have not taken the action. You have to take the action. One of the best example is Mark Zuckerberg. See, he taken the actions. If you have seen the movie Social Media, as part of that movie, what happened? Lots of people was there as part of Harvard. They was thinking about different kind of stuffs, and one of the website, one of the person have suggested him, and they was thinking, okay, Mark Zuckerberg going to help him out to create such kind of website. But what Mark Zuckerberg have did, he started from his own side and he did it. He completed it, and his website was very hit. How exactly? Because he was not only thinking, he have taken the action. So you have to be activist. You should not only the thinker. Okay. Now the 12th learning, be persistent. Okay, if you are the persistent, then only you can achieve something in your life. You first of all, you think about Thomas Alva Edison, the person who have failed thousands times. You understand, we are going to fail one or two times and we are losing our hope. But the Thomas Alva Edison have failed 1,000 times, and one of his interview he was saying, I know the thousandth way the bulb cannot be work. Okay, so he was not talking negative, he was talking positive. Okay, I know the thousandth way the bulb cannot be made, but I will find out the one way, the way, in this way the bulb can be made. So see, this is the thought process of Thomas Alva Edison. He is the only one person who was thinking about how can I make the bulb. He was not thinking about how many failures I have in my life, and he have never stopped working on it. His consistency, his persistency pay him off, and finally he is the first person who invented the bulb. Okay, now 13 point is be a leader. If you are going to be a leader, what is going to be happen? You are going to be the person who will influence the people. The people will like to talk to you, people would like to in contact with you, and definitely if you will be the leader, you will face new challenges, you will learn from your challenges, you will become successful as well. So if you are the leader, people will always praise you, they will help you, they everything will be like that in your surroundings. But if you will behave like a boss, boss will be boss, but boss may not be boss later point in time, but leader will always be a boss, that is for sure. So that's I'm saying, always behave like a leader. Okay, don't behave like a boss. And I think so the key learning which I have given to you, maybe you will apply in your life, or it will be very helpful for you to become successful. And last but not the least, this is my first video which I have made. I am really thankful for the Toshif sir, their sessions, and the colleagues which I got as part of the Toshif sir. Okay, we are trying to do our best, we are learning a lot, and we are applying in our life. Thanks a lot guys for looking my videos, listen me. Okay, please do like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks a lot. Bye.